Should you insure or invest first? A comprehensive financial plan must include both insurance and investments for your long-term well-being. While they are both important, a common question arises: which should come first? To answer this question, you must first understand what you are attempting to achieve when purchasing insurance policies and making investments. In essence, insurance is designed to protect your current assets as well as your future earnings. If you are no longer alive, injured, or disabled, your insurance will allow you and/or your family to maintain a similar standard of living. Investments, on the other hand, increase your wealth over time. Your investments, as well as their returns, can be used to fund your retirement and other major life expenses, such as your children's education, allowing you to avoid relying solely on your earnings from work. This means we can't live without either. Even if your wealth and income are protected, in unfortunate circumstances, having insurance alone means that you will need to continue working to support yourself and your family for the rest of your life. Having investments alone means that, while you're steadily building wealth and achieving financial goals, any unforeseen events in the near future will leave you and/or your family financially vulnerable. Let's first talk about the benefits of having insurance. When it comes to health insurance, regardless of your age, you should have one because illness or health emergencies can strike at any time. Medical expenses can be prohibitively expensive in the absence of health insurance. You may have limited funds, especially if you have only recently begun working. As a result, you should get health insurance as soon as possible. Many people avoid purchasing term life insurance because they believe that young and healthy people do not need it. However, purchasing term insurance early on is advantageous for two reasons. One advantage is the low premium cost. Purchasing term life insurance early in life results in lower premium costs when compared to purchasing term life insurance later in life. Following that is family protection. The sooner you want to protect your family from financial difficulties that may arise while you are away, the better. If your parents, partner, or children are financially dependent on you, term insurance can protect them from future financial burdens. For investment, you can have improved spending habits. At the start of their careers, most people have little disposable income. We all want to spend some of our limited income and save some for future needs. Saving money means having less money available for spending. However, by making savings a habit, we can build a larger corpus and improve our spending habits in the long run. To make things easier, set aside a portion of your monthly earnings for savings. You can begin creating a budget once you know how much money you have available for spending. Assume you make $620 per month and want to save at least $250. Once you receive your income, you must save $250 and create a monthly budget with the remaining $375. With a $250 savings, you can plan your investments in such a way that they result in wealth creation over time. There is also the advantage of compounding. The earlier you begin investing, the greater the benefit of compounding returns in the long run. Here's an example to help you understand how it works. Assume you want to save a total of $300,000 for retirement. With this goal in mind, you begin investing in an equity mutual fund with an average return of 12%. You begin investing at the age of 22, with a monthly investment of $30 for the next 38 years. Thus, the net investment would be around $15,000, and the returns can help you set up the total money you want to invest. In another case, with the same goal, you start investing at the age of 45. As a result, you must invest at least $625 per month for the next 15 years to achieve a net investment of $112,000. If the returns offered are the same as in the previous example, this could be worth $300,000 after 15 years. Compounding benefits come from long-term investments and allows for smaller investments. The earlier you start investing, the smaller the investment amount, and vice versa. So, which should come first? Although both insurance and investments are necessary, you must consider the implications of each on you and your family's well-being. Simply put, you should prioritize your insurance needs before focusing on your investment needs. Consider it as first constructing a safety net for you and your family with insurance before attempting to reach for the stars with investment returns. Once purchased, insurance protects you and your family immediately. Your investments, on the other hand, take longer to accumulate. Another way to look at it is that if you don't have adequate insurance, a health problem or an unfortunate event early in your life will put you and your family at risk, regardless of how well your investments have performed. However, when considering the advantages of early investment and insurance purchased early in life, it is best to pursue both simultaneously, as each has unique advantages that cannot be replaced, combined, or prioritized. Because life is full of uncertainties, it is critical to protect ourselves and our dependents from any financial problems that may arise. Inflation is still on the rise. As a result, we must begin investing as soon as possible. Similarly, the right insurance policy can protect us from financial losses caused by unexpected events. Those who cannot afford both must weigh the advantages of each investment and insurance and make an informed decision.